Do you understand English but still can't speak fluently? Then this video for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Way to Fluent, and this is the day 5 of my 30 days challenge of self-improvement journey. So today we are talking about a very important topic, which is how we can learn English in very easy way. I know everybody want to speak English, everybody want to speak very confidently, but this is not easy task. I know that everybody want. So in this video I am going to share some tips which I apply in my journey, and still I am applying those things in my journey. So without delay, let's get into the video. First thing, stop afraid of making mistake. You don't learn by the perfection, you learn by the practice. If you do everyday practice, then you have to achieve your goal and you can speak very fluently anywhere. So earlier I also faced how I start, when I start, where from I start. So always everybody want to learn this language, but they have not guidance, they have not clarity where from they can start. So now before going to topic, I want to share my journey. When I was in school, I am very fascinated about learning this language, but at that time I don't have the idea, means choosing the career and deciding what subject is good for me and not. But after the main struggle started when I was started doing the job. Then I started the facing problem. People judge to me according to not according to my hard work. People always judge to according your how much fluent in English language, how you feel confident in while speaking English. So that time my journey is start. I always, whenever I meet the person who speak very calm, very fluently, at that time I was thinking I wish I would also speak like that. I took decision, I take challenges, I start learning this language. What I start at that time, so I just whenever I come across, I listen to other people, then I listen very carefully how they speak, their accent, their way of talking, how they speak very very clearly in English. So I start the observing and I start the listening. Instead of listening to sometime I always like to listen to motivational videos. Then I start watching in English. I switch my all those things in English. So in this way I started, but at the time I'm not serious about, not consistent about learning this language. That is the main problem. So whenever you start, what kind of things you do, I'm going to share in this video. First, you start listening to other and motivational videos, whatever you like. You start listening in English content, just English content. And people always talk grammar is not important. No, I face the challenges. I know how much grammar is important. But initially, if you have basic grammar, then you don't need to worry, because with the basic grammar you don't need to learn the grammar, all the chapters. You have to clear the tenses, article, prepositions and conjunction and modals. These are the basic grammar, and you have to about those topic. That is the basic grammar. If you know the basic grammar, you can start today. You don't wait to perfect grammar, perfect grammar, perfect word. No, you start today. When you start today, then initially you face challenges, but after that you feel comfortable. If I can speak, then you can also speak, definitely. So my point is only that I want to motivate it to you all of guys, because I seen the around me many people who want to speak English. They have courage, but they didn't start. So just start with the first step. As much as you can speak, you speak. If you have no partner, if you have don't partner, then you just start, speaking in front of mirror and record. Maybe you can also record yourself. And second thing, as we all know that the learning English language, we have 4 aspects, like reading, writing, listening and speaking. The fourth thing is very important, but initially what we have to do, we have to just focus on 2 things: listening input and speaking output. We have to work on only 2 things, which is I also apply. Writing is after that, if you feel interest in writing, then you can start with the journal. So this is the main point. If you want to fluent in this language, so no need to be, don't be feel afraid making mistake, because still I am making lots of mistake while recording myself. I know that. I feel that I am making lots of mistake, but still I know I never focus on my mistake. I just focus on the speaking as much as I can. People are also thinking we have not time for learning this language. No need to time. You have to just for yourself. You can just take time for yourself, just 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's enough for every day. If you do the 15-minute practice, then enough for you. Then you can join, if you able to join, you can join online classes, because earlier we have not much opportunity, but nowadays I can see that we have lots of opportunity, lots of videos on YouTube, and we can read, we can write, everything's in our hand. So don't miss this opportunity, and you can work on your skill. So that is the important, and start thinking in English. I know that it's a not easy task, because this is our 3rd language. First we know the Hindi language, second our mother tongue, and third we are going to learn this 3rd language in English. So it is not easy, but it is not impossible, because I feel that I never ever thought I can speak in English. I know, even though I am making lots of mistakes, don't worry. I feel that I am able to share my thought in front of any person in English language. I never feel hesitant like earlier I feel. And always, when you start your day, just start with the think in English. मीन्स जब भी हम उठते हैं तो देन हम कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं, वी आर थिंकिंग इन मदर टंग, आज मैं ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा, इधर जाऊँगा, उधर करूँगा. देन यू स्टॉप दोज थिंग, यू जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश. इट इज लिटिल बिट टफ, बट what you can do, you can just whatever you see in around you. Suppose that you see this is the mobile, this is the fan, that is the book. Whatever you see, you can just describe the name. Start describing the name and start reading also. I already many times told you in previous video, start reading. If you start reading, then you find out that so many good vocabulary you can use in your daily speaking. In this way, you can able to articulate your thought in very good manners, and simultaneously you can see the result. If you do simultaneously, then you can see the result after later. So start. Please start on today. Don't wait for perfect time. Perfect time is never come in your life, because I also spent many years. And be consistent. Whenever you start, then be consistent, because without consistency is nothing you can achieve in your life. Fluency doesn't come overnight, it's come with the consistent practice. So this is the day 5 of my self improvement journey. I hope you like. If you like this video, if you feel motivated from this video, then please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I will